Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing, as we always do on Sunday for the month of March, we're going to be doing our Pink Cloth Bingo Bliss. So if you have not already downloaded your free bingo boards, you get 3 of them. You can find the link in my description box. You can get these on my Ko-fi, or you can get these on my website, and they are totally free. Just to say thank you guys so much for always supporting my channel. Without you guys, there would not be a APinkeClothlife channel. So thank you so much for all of your support. Now the Pink Cloth Bingo Bliss boards, you can download all 3, and you just pick which board you want to do. And I've actually picked this one for our month of March, and I am the dealer, so don't worry about it. I know you probably say there are no numbers on these boards. I am the dealer, and I will be telling you guys exactly which amounts we're going to be stuffing. So just for to switch it up a little bit, okay, so I know some of you guys were saying some of the amounts were high. So if you want to do like a low income budget bingo bliss, so whatever the amount I pull, just pretty much divide that by 2, slash it in half, and you save that much. So we don't want to make this too complicated and too much for anybody. We just want everybody to play. So that's how we can just do it to make it half, and we'll say what the numbers would be when we get there, okay? All right, so tonight, oh guys, if you have not already clicked on the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and click that subscribe button, because I would love to have you part of the family, guys. And yeah, we just have fun over here. Right? All right, so we're going to go ahead and count our cash. So I only have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. All right, so I only have $80 this week to stuff for bingo. So we'll see how much we will have to stuff, because I have no idea, because we have to see what cards we're going to pick. And if I don't have enough, I just pretty much do an IOU, and then when I have the extra cash, I can go to the bank. I just add it to this. So that's what that is. So you do have your bingo boards, guys. Just what are you saving for? Give yourself that why, so that way it'll give you a little bit of initiative to want to save and want to continue to play the game. All right, so don't forget to let me know what you guys rolled in the comments, because I want to know, or if you slash yours in half to do the low budget bingo bliss. So guys, let's get started. So we take our dice and we're going to roll. So we're only going to pick 2 cards this time. All right, and remember last time I was trying to pick a little bit more. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab our cards. So the cards that I have flipped up, we've already pretty much done. So I'm actually going to just put those there. Now we're going to shuffle. Oops, my money's almost up. You know how I always love to like shuffle these little cards. I feel so professional. I just feel so hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we're going to take our card, and it looks like, make sure you guys can see the cards in the bingo boards. Okay, so we have 30. Okay, so, oh, yo, I got bingo. Bingo, bingo, bingo. What am I going to do for bingo, guys? What? Okay, so I do have bingo. It is what it is. It doesn't matter which way we go. I got bingo. So what I'm going to do special for bingo, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do special for bingo. All right, so we have the money stack. So how we play this, you guys know. So if you're on row 1, you save $37. This is a high card. This is just too much. This one, I don't know, y'all. So this is $37. So we're doing 2 cards. So you can save, let's get my calculator out here. All right. I mixed all my cards up. Yeah, y'all, I was not thinking when I did these for high. So it's $37 that I will be saving for this go round. And if you are doing the low income one, so $37 divided by 2 equals, so you would save $18.15. I would say 19. I would round it to 20. Or if you want to divide that in half, you'll have $9.25. So totally up to you. If you want to do it in halves or thirds, totally up to you. So I just gave you the amounts that you would save for that amount. Now, if you're on row 2, if you have a money stack, that would be, oh gosh, $52, y'all. So $52 divided by 2. So if you're doing half, that'll be $26 you'll save. And if you're doing divided by 3, so it'll be $8.66. Wait a minute, what did I do? Hold on, I'm tripping. No, for $37 for row 1, if you're doing it thirds, it's $12.33. I'm so sorry about that. All right, so for 52, if you're doing half, it'll be $26. And for row 2, if you're doing thirds, then that'll be $17 that you save. So take a pick, whichever you want to do. All right, and I'm just going to do a sticky so I can add mine up. All right, so we got $37. And then if you're on row 3, you're going to save $41. And then if you're on row 4, you're going to save $8. I can't talk, y'all. All right, so $41 divided by 2. So if you're going to save half of it for row 3, you're going to save $20.50. I would round it up to $21. So if you're going to save 3, that'll be $13.66. I would round mine up to $15. That's what I would do. All right, so that is for the money row. So we're going to put that there. All right, so next card we're going to pull. Yeah, this video is going to be crazy fast, guys. All right. Ooh, look, is this the Warthol? Is that what that's called? The Warthol? Is it Narthol? Warthol? Narwhal. That's what it is. All right, so if you have it on row 1, you're going to save $2. If you have it on row 2, you're going to save $15. And like I said, you could do the half. And then if you're on row 3, which I am on, so I'm going to save $17. And then if you're on row 4, you're going to save $33. And I'll put this up so you guys can see that. And the sun is really beaming in. I tried to like make it so it won't be beaming in, but there's nothing I can do. I'm so sorry. All right, so 33 divided by 2. So $16.50 if you're saving half. And if you're doing thirds for row 4, going to be saving $11. All right, so that is for that. So I am going to add up. And I'm going to actually put this on the bottom. And we actually don't need these because we're only pulling 2 cards today. All right. Now, so we have, so I'm saving $37 plus 17. So I'm going to save $54. So I am actually just going to take 20, 40, 50, and I'm going to take just an extra 1 and add to that. Y'all know how I always like to round up. So we got 20, 40, 50, 55 for my savings. And I am actually going to, because I got freaking bingo, so I'm just going to color that in. I didn't know what I was going to do for when I get bingo, but I guess it's just saying, hey, bingo. All right, so let's see how much I've already gotten so far. Oh, I can't start this up. All right, so I'm going to put my board over here. And I'm going to, I think I did it in Tina's. All right, and I'm going to go to my bingo night. That's date night. Oh, here we go. Budget bingo. All right, so let's see how much we have, because this right here is going to go towards debt at the end of the month. Whatever I save. So probably 9 times out of 10 it go to my grants furnishing card. So we're going to see what we got left over. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200. Whoa, that sun is, ooh, it feels good, but it's like bright. Did I say 200? Let me start over. And the sun is blinding me. It's like dead in my eyes. But I feel like I'm at the beach. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, oops, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. right, so we have $225. I'll say it again, $225 freaking dollars just by playing Bingo Bliss, which is crazy. When I said figure out what your why was, this is my why. So if I took, I know we're supposed to be playing bingo, but I'm showing you guys what I'm putting my money towards at the end. So if we do 500 minus 225, so that'll leave me with a total of 275 that I would have to pay, and that is not bad at all. And then I'll be finished with this Grants Furnishing card. So that's the thing about, I know some people are saying like put that in a HYSA, like this little bingo thing I'm doing, but I'm not going to have it in there for long, so because that's going to go to my debt. So that's why I said I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, do a budget thing. All right, so I need to put money back. I'm going to put this back in. I'm just going to do this as extra cash. So that's what I'm going to actually do. This extra money that I have. So I only have $10, $20, $25 extra. So that is all for that. All right, there we go, y'all. And we are pretty much finished Bingo Bliss. Super easy, fun, and cute. All right, so like I said, if you don't have, you can always catch my videos because I'll have Bingo Night or Bingo Bliss on the headings of it. So that way, if you do get the bingo boards later, you can go back and you can just play it. So that's why I did it like as just like a regular video instead of doing it like a live and then it's not there. I guess I can save a live too. But and then this way I did it colorful, so at the end of budget bingo you can kind of like save it, hang it up, and keep it and say like, hey, this bingo that I did was for saving for debt, and you can put which debt you did, what day you completed, so that you can have it as like a memory of what you did, just to make it fun. So that's why I did colorful. Hint, hint. All right, guys, so thank you so much for chilling with me through this video. This was super fun, sweet, and cute, and we always play bingo on Sunday. And like I said, make sure you click on the link below to get your free bingo board. And also, guys, thank you so much for all of you guys that has been supporting me on my Ko-fi. You guys are just so awesome, like giving me like coffee and all that stuff like that. So I'll try to make something up for the month of April, something fun for us to do, because that way I can kind of give back to you guys. And I am also thinking about, because you guys are still asking me if I can just do the bingo boards and then just make the cards and sell them in my shop and the dice together. So I will see about working on that. And like I always say, guys, until next time, peace.